Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chelsea. If you are not subscribed, please do so. Today I will be doing my much anticipated, literally only anticipated by me, Fashion Nova try-on haul. So we're just gonna go ahead and get on into it. Like, comment, subscribe. So let me just start off by saying I'm wearing those kind of Spanx that are right here and they go like up to here. These shits is not making me feel good because you can literally see like everything. Not cute. So this dress, I'll have all of like the info somewhere on the screen because I don't remember how much it was. But I mean, like, this is cute, right? I don't know. It's hot as shnikes in this room right now, but I mean, it's cute. It keeps like having these little like stringies popping off of it, but it's like a sweater dress. I feel like Chiquita Banana. I need to have like maracas, and you can't see, but I'm wearing these shoes that I got from them. They're like velvety, and they have like a piping right here on the back and along the sides. I'll just take them off because they hurt like shit. They're super, super cute, but like I was just standing in them for 3.5 minutes and they hurt so bad. All right. Oh my God, I'm sweating so bad. Back up so you can see. So this dress is super velvety and has like little ripples right here, right? That's what you call it. And I mean, it's stretchy like all their stuff. Yeah, it's stretchy. I've worn this in one video and I liked it. There's nothing really else to say about it. So next is oh, hello cinched waist. Like what? Where were you? Right there. That's an illusion. So literally doing magic tricks. So this dress is basically just a glorified like long tank top, but I really liked it. But again, like this is usually not here. It's just because the Spanx I'm wearing. Just stay with me. And I got this jacket to go with it because I'm pretty sure that's what the model was wearing. But for Florida, this jacket is perfect because it has mesh sleeves, and I didn't realize that when I bought it. And then I put it on the other morning and I was like, oh, fudge. So this jacket is super cute. This is a little short, but then again, everything is stretchy. But I love this and how it like cuts like right here. It's not too short, not too long. And I don't think it actually zips up, does it? I mean, why would you? But that's super cute. Oh, could you imagine if I was pregnant wearing this? Hold on, let me see if I can do my pregnant belly. Oh my God, I'm gonna be so cute. Oh, this is just bagel bites. Oh, God. I'm gonna be adorable. Watch, someone's gonna screenshot this and send it to Tony and they're gonna be like, what the fuck? Oh my God, I'm gonna be so cute. Get me pregnant right now. Okay. God, that actually hurts sometimes when I do that. So again, mind the Spanx. I don't know where the hell my other ones are. I have like 3 other pairs, but I do like this. I just wish it wasn't as literally see-through. Like, I'm wearing a white bra right now and you can clearly tell. Then again, that might be my fault because maybe I should have gotten a medium instead of a small. Probably should have got a medium. God. So I don't even remember getting this dress, but I'm happy I did. I'm feeling this. I'm about to go to all the meetings and buy out your company. That's cute. Like, I could wear this. Oh, except for the, oh, y'all can't even see it because it's black. Hey, you probably can. That's cute too. I like that. And this is a midi dress, so it goes, can you see? It goes down to like right past my knee. This is cute. This isn't that same fabric, but it is stretchy. And I feel like I got a medium because this is a little big on me, but this is cute. I feel so age appropriate right now. Yeah, it looks like I have a penis, but it's fine. Okay. So now on to like more work clothes. I got this bodysuit, which I think is super cute. It has like a keyhole back. I'm not buttoning it because I won't be able to get out of it. I had a problem getting out of it the other day. I wore this the other day with a pencil skirt, wearing wearing bodysuits with pencil skirts is a life changer because you don't have to like tuck your shirt in and your undershirt in and your panties all like a weird way. And then I have a struggle finding pants, like work pants that actually like fit me and look good. I actually wore these today, so they're a little bit stained. Sorry. I dropped something on them earlier this morning because I can't dress myself. But they, oh God, did I just undo it? But I didn't wear a bodysuit with them because like right here is like pulling a little bit. Like everywhere fits me perfectly. I just don't understand what's happening right here. Maybe it's my tummy. I hope y'all can't see how like I didn't button my bodysuit because like again I won't be able to get out of it. But these work pants are like it's literally like wearing leggings. It's awesome. Like it was so great when I was wearing them today at work, and so that you can see like what the bottom looks like they aren't too long for me. It's great. I'm literally gonna be like jumping up. You can see they're not too long for me, but they're all the way skinny at the bottom. The back pockets aren't real. These pockets are real, and they're, I guess, high rise because my belly button's right there. But I haven't worn a bodysuit with them because of the fact that this is like pulling a little bit. Like that's not cute. So I wore just a normal blouse so it was like covered. But I really like these. I think I'm gonna get maybe like a size bigger. I'm not really sure what to do with like this right here, but I don't know. I just need to like not eat carbs for a week and I'll be fine. But I love them. Okay, so the other worky thing I got, and again, pardon these like lines and stuff right here because I don't have this buttoned or snapped on the cooter, but I got a pencil skirt because every woman needs just a plain black pencil skirt and doesn't zip or anything. It has like this band right here. So like my thumb's completely in there. So you can see like it's the width of my thumb. Like it's right there. You can see it. Actually, I can just pull it up. So this is it. And it's just like an elastic band right here. Super, super, super comfortable. Super appropriate. There's no like slit or anything in the back. But I like this a lot. Like a lot. I felt super pretty yesterday. Like super, super, super pretty. So this is a long black maxi dress all the way to the floor, and it's made of, I don't even really know. It's comfortable though. And it has like this right here, like so the silhouette, how it cuts, like it cuts right there. And then down here is like a little looser. You really can't tell because the entire thing's tight. One thing I love, anyone from really just any woman will love, you can tell I'm not wearing a bra, and because there's little, like a tiny little bit, like it's just like lined a little bit. It's not padding, but it's lined, so your nips ain't gonna show through, because apparently that makes everybody uncomfortable. And these straps, when I saw the picture of them, I was like, that's terrifying. My boobies is gonna like pop that. But look, it's literally like it's like elastic, like piping. Not elastic. What am I trying to say? Yeah, like elastic, like moing, 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 like a little bungee cord. Little bungee cord for your dude boobies. So that's cute. And then I can wear that jacket with it too. That's what I was planning on doing. With these, it's not what I thought it was going to be. Well, that pisses me off. With these wedges, and I thought these were going to be suede. That's not suede. That's like faux leather. So that's great. All right, so it's literally like I'm wearing a bathing suit, so don't come for me that I'm not wearing pants right now. But this is another one of the bodysuits I got. I got another one, it's just a black t-shirt. I got another one that's literally the exact same thing except for it's more of a v-neck and it's white. And I like wearing that with pencil skirts and stuff, but I'm not going to put it on just because I already wore it this week. I love it. It's super cute. Fits just like this one. They're stretchy. It's like cotton and spandex, or like polyester and spandex. I don't know, but they're stretchy. They feel good. breathable, whatever. It's literally a t-shirt. But now for the part that everyone wants to know about. So I got a pair of white jeans. I believe I got dark jeans and I got shorts. So these are the white ones. They feel super thin, so that's kind of terrifying. They have like one little slit. It looks like someone just cut them with scissors. Why even do that? The front pockets aren't real, but the back pockets are. Oh, these are gonna look so dumb on me. Those are not cute. Oh my god. Why does anyone wear these? These are hideous! It looks, oh my god. What is that? I'll tell you, if I don't get YouTube famous for this, I don't know what will get me there. All right, so these are a 3 though, and in every other place I shop, I'm a 3. So, what is this? I don't know whose fupa this is, but it sure as hell ain't mine. I gotta get these shits off. I need to give these to somebody. In case you wanted to know where your muffin top was, these shorts, they hide them. So that's where it is. Oh, I like these. Oh, these are cute. Oh, and I love that they're not like up your cooter. Still kind of makes it look like my vag is like 14 miles long, but you know, I'd rather it be 14 miles long than 14 miles wide. We have front pockets and we have back pockets. So I think they're like bodysuits and stuff, and like some of their dresses and jackets is like what I'll stick to, because like their pants fit me. Like they're not too long, which I have a problem with because I say 5'3", but I'm realistically 5'2". So it's hard for me to find pants that aren't like a bunched up at the bottoms, but like they're great in that aspect. But I don't understand why their pants like go up to your nipples. Like, I don't know. Or why those were so thin. Like, I have white jeans that aren't that thin. Maybe my cooter is just huge. I don't know. But from all the other reviews I've heard from Fashion Nova, you'll get like a bunch of stuff and like 80% of it will fit you great, and then there's a few items that you're like, ugh, why? So that is it for this Fashion Nova haul. I really hope y'all enjoyed. If it was your first time here, I'm sorry that I'm in my robe, but I'm always in my robe. So I hope you had a great time and enjoyed laughing at me being ridiculous. So yeah, please subscribe. Join my little family on this weird side of YouTube. I do makeup and lifestyle videos, so apparently Fashion Nova hauls too. Remember to comment down below what your favorite item was. And I'm sure everyone's gonna say the white jeans because I look so good in them. I mean, who could work a giant fupa like that? Probably nobody but me. Anyways, so please subscribe and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!